Do you know how to ask for milk in English? Or maybe you feel a little nervous when you need to find the fresh vegetables. Let's find out how to shop with confidence. Welcome to today's lesson.
Hello everyone, I am John.
And I am Sarah. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to the supermarket.
That is right, Sarah. Going to the supermarket in a new country can be scary. There are so many new words. There are so many different foods. But do not worry. We are here to help you.
Yes, we are. Today you will learn how to talk at the supermarket. We will teach you how to find things. We will teach you how to ask for help. And we will teach you how to pay for your food.
We will use short, simple sentences. We will repeat the important words. This is perfect for beginners. Are you ready to learn?
Let's go shopping.
Okay. We are inside the supermarket. First, we need something to carry our food.
Yes, if you only want a few things, you can use a basket. Emily picks up a red plastic basket. This is a basket. Can you say that? Basket.
But today, we are buying a lot of food, so we need a cart. Paul pats the handle of his silver cart. In America, we say cart or shopping cart. In the UK, they often say trolley. Let's say it together. Cart.
Great. Now let's go to the produce section. The produce section is where we find fresh fruits and vegetables. Look at all the beautiful colours. I see red tomatoes, yellow bananas, and green apples.
I love fresh fruit. It smells so sweet. Sarah, I need some apples. How do I ask about them?
Let's practice a short conversation. Listen carefully.
Excuse me, are these apples fresh?
Yes, they are very fresh. They arrived this morning.
Oh, I see. How much are they?
They are $2 for 1 kilo.
Great. I will take 1 kilo, please.
Did you hear that? John asked two very important questions. First, he asked, "Are these apples fresh?" Fresh means they are new and good to eat. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Are these apples fresh?
Very good. Then I asked about the price. I said, "How much are they?" This is how you ask for the price of many things. Repeat after me. How much are they?
Excellent. If you are asking about one thing, you say, "How much is this?" Let's try that. How much is this?
Yay! You are doing great. Now let's weigh the apples. We put them on the scale. Paul puts the apples on a small silver scale. The scale tells us the weight.
Perfect. We have our fresh apples. Let's move to the next section.
It is cold here.
Yes, it is. We are in the dairy section. Dairy means food made from milk. We need to keep it cold.
Look at all the milk, cheese, and yogurt. I need to buy some milk.
Okay, let's look at the milk. There are many kinds. There is whole milk, skim milk, and almond milk.
I want regular whole milk. But wait, how do I know if it is still good to drink?
That is a great question, John. You need to check the expiration date. The expiration date tells you the last day the food is good. Look here.
Ah, I see. It says October 15th. Today is October 10th, so it is good.
Yes, let's practice asking about milk.
Excuse me, where is the whole milk?
It is right here, on the middle shelf.
Thank you. Is this milk fresh?
Yes, you can check the expiration date on the top.
Oh, I see it. Thank you very much.
Let's practice the new words. Repeat after me. Expiration date.
Good job. Now let's buy some eggs. Eggs are usually near the milk.
Here they are. We usually buy eggs in a box of 12. Do you know the special word for 12 eggs?
Yes, it is a dozen. A dozen means 12.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. A dozen eggs.
Perfect. Now we have milk and a dozen eggs. Let's go find some meat.
Here is the meat counter. You can buy beef, chicken, or pork here.
I want to make chicken for dinner. Let's ask the butcher. The butcher is the person who cuts and sells the meat. Hello? I would like some chicken, please.
Sure, how much chicken do you need?
I need 2 pieces of chicken breast, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you.
That was very polite, John. When you want something, it is polite to say, I would like. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I would like some chicken, please.
Great. You sound very natural. Let's put the chicken in our cart and keep shopping.
Wow, John, look at all these aisles. An aisle is a long path between shelves in a store. Can you say that? Aisle.
This supermarket is very big. I need to find some pasta, but I don't know where it is.
No problem. This is a perfect time to ask for help. Let's find a store employee. Or sometimes there are signs above the aisles. Look up.
Oh, I see a sign. It says pasta and rice. It's in aisle 7. Let's go. Here it is. So many kinds of pasta. I want spaghetti. Is it on the top shelf or the bottom shelf?
Good question. The top shelf is high up. The bottom shelf is low down. Spaghetti is usually in the middle. Ah, here it is.
Perfect. I will take 2 packages. What about canned food? I need some canned tomatoes.
Canned food means food in a metal can. It stays fresh for a long time. Let's look for the canned goods section. It's usually near the dry goods.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
Where can I find canned tomatoes?
Canned tomatoes are in aisle 12, next to the soups.
Thank you very much.
That was excellent, John. You used a very polite phrase. Can you help me? Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can you help me?
And then I asked, where can I find... This is very useful for finding anything in a store. Repeat after me. Where can I find...
Fantastic. Now we know how to find things in the aisles. Let's put these canned tomatoes in our cart. They feel heavy.
Sarah, look. What does sale mean?
Sale means the prices are lower than usual. It's a good time to buy. Sometimes you see discount or special offer. They all mean the same thing. You save money.
Oh, I love saving money. What about this sign? It says, buy one, get one free.
Ah, that's a great deal. Buy one, get one free means you buy one item and you get another item for free. We often say BOGO for short. It's very popular.
Wow. So if I buy 1 box of cereal, I get another box for free? That's amazing.
Exactly. But sometimes you need a coupon. A coupon is a small paper or digital ticket that gives you a discount. You show it at the checkout.
Excuse me, is this cereal on sale?
Yes, it is. It's buy one, get one free this week.
Great. Do I need a coupon?
No, you don't need a coupon for this offer. The discount is automatic.
Oh, that's easy. Thank you.
Let's practice those useful phrases. Repeat after me. Is this on sale?
And do I need a coupon?
Excellent. Now you know how to find and ask about special offers. It's a great way to save money and practice your English.
My cart is getting full. I think we have almost everything. What's next, Sarah?
Next, we go to the checkout. That's where we pay for our food. Let's go. Here we are, John, the checkout. This is where we pay for everything we bought. The person who helps us here is called the cashier. Can you say that? Cashier.
Hello, cashier. I have a lot of food today. What are the ways to pay?
Good question. You can pay with cash, which is paper money and coins. Or you can pay with a card, like a credit card or a debit card. Most people pay with a card now. Hello, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
Great. Your total is $55.75.
Okay. I will pay by card, please.
Would you like a bag today? We have plastic bags or paper bags.
Yes, please. 1 paper bag.
Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
That was a perfect checkout conversation, John. Let's practice some key phrases. First, the cashier asked, "Did you find everything okay today?" This is a friendly way to start. Repeat after me. Did you find everything okay today?
Then the cashier told me the price. Your total is... Total means the final price. Repeat after me. Your total is...
And when John paid, he said, "I will pay by card, please." Or you can say, "I will pay with cash, please." Let's practice. I will pay by card, please.
And finally, the cashier asked, "Would you like a bag today?" Sometimes you need to pay for bags. Repeat after me. Would you like a bag today?
Fantastic. And the receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Don't forget to take your change if you pay with cash.
We did it, Sarah. Our cart is full and we paid for everything. Shopping in English is not so scary now.
All right, everyone. It's time for some practice. I will give you a sentence and I want you to repeat it out loud. Speak clearly and confidently.
Let's go. Repeat after Sarah.
Where can I find the milk?
Good. Next one.
How much are these apples?
Excellent. Try this one.
I would like a dozen eggs, please.
Very good, and a polite one.
Can you help me?
Fantastic. One more.
I will pay by card, please. Wonderful job, everyone. Keep practicing these phrases, and you will be a supermarket English pro in no time.
Wow, Sarah. We learned so much today. We learned how to ask for items, how to check prices, and how to pay at the checkout.
That's right, John. And remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to use these new words and phrases next time you go shopping.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning lessons.
And we have a question for you. What is one thing you always buy when you go to the supermarket? Tell us in the comments below.
We love reading your comments. It helps us make better videos for you.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.